have big news. My book, The Sweaty Startup, after 18 months of work, is launched live and for sale today. There's an audiobook. I recorded it. This is the book that I wrote to advance your career 25%. If I would have had this in my hands before I started my first business, I would be wealthier and better off today. That was my goal with this book. It is a how-to guide on how to pick the right opportunity, how to have the right mindset going into business, how to sell, how to delegate, how to make decisions, how to hire, how to market, and how to grow your company and build long-term wealth. And it's the sweaty way. It's the approachable way. This is not a Silicon Valley dream book about raising venture capital and changing the world. Now, there's also some special things I'm doing today on launch day this week. If you buy a book, you get 1 year access to a private community that we're doing for people who buy this book. In the future, it'll be $25 a month. You get it for a year if you buy 1 copy of the book. 3 copies gets you access to my hiring course. That's $299 for sale online. 5 copies of this book gets you access to my Twitter growth course, which I've sold over 300 memberships to for $499. 10 books get you my real estate masterclass. 40 books, and I'll do a 40-minute virtual coaching call with you or your team. 75 books, come to Athens, Georgia, play a round of golf with me. The beer and the fun is on me. If you don't golf, we can exchange that for a nice dinner. That's 75 books. 5,000 books, and I'll name my next child after you. I'm just kidding. The way to do that is send me an email, nick@sweatystartup.com with your proof of purchase, and me and my team will take care of it for you. But look, I spend a lot of time in the trenches building my companies. I have 3 businesses that are getting really large with 50 or more employees, 325 employees across the portfolio, more than $30 million of annual revenue. And this is everything I know about running a business the right way. So I really hope you'll pick up my book. Thank you for the support. And as always, let me know your feedback.